Hi children, in that previous video we discussed up to 8 questions now. So here we are going to discuss the questions from 9 onwards. So what is that 9th question? See here something they didn't give, that is if sine, they given very small, not visible, no, so that's why written. So sine alpha is equal to 3 by 5 and alpha is lies in between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Then cos 3 alpha. Cos 3 alpha we need to find out. So children, here we know that cos 3 alpha formula already we know that. What is that? 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. Actually this is the formula, right? Here cos cube alpha, cos alpha. So to simplify this we require that cos alpha value. Okay, but they given here sin alpha value, no. So sin alpha is equal to what they given? Sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5. Sin alpha is 3 by 5. So here, so 3 by 5, opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. So see here, sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5. So what about that cos alpha? So here this is 3 by 5 means here this is a 4 only, no? Pythagorean triplet. So 3, 4, 5. Am I clear? Now see here, cos alpha is equals to 4 by 5, adjacent by hypotenuse, 4 by 5. So children, here sin alpha is a positive. By seeing that we can say that. Why? Because alpha is lies in that second quadrant. Why? Because alpha is lies in between 90 to 180. So that is in second quadrant, no? So second quadrant, sin is positive, cos is negative. Okay, we know that, right? Now here we have to write that cos 3 alpha formula. What is that? Cos 3 alpha is equal to 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. Okay. Now here just write that cos alpha value here. So 4 into cos cube alpha. So cos alpha value is minus 4 by 5 whole cube minus 3 into cos alpha is minus 4 by 5. Okay. So from this one minus 4 cube. 4 cube value is 64 by 5 cube value is 125. Minus into minus is plus 3 fourths 12 by 5. Okay. So here minus 4 into 64. 64 into 4 is equal to 256. So that is minus 256 by 125. Minus 256 by 125 plus 12 by 5. 12 by 5. Now here take that LCM. So what is the LCM of 5 and 125? 125 is the multiple of 5, no. So that's why here 125 is the LCM. So here numerators minus 256 plus 12 into, here 5 is there, no ma, but here 125 is their LCM. So 5 into how much is equal to 125? 525 is 125. So 525. Am I clear to you? So here minus 256 plus minus 256 plus 12 into 25. So 12 5 is 60. So 12 5 is 60. 12 2 is 24. 24 plus 6 is equals to 30. So that is 300. Okay. Whole by 125. Whole by 125. So 300 minus 256. What you will get? 44. Plus 44 and minus 44. That is plus 44 by 125. Okay. So the option is there or not? See here. 44 by 125. Yes. Option 1 is correct here. Understand ma? Yes. So children, see that question number 10 here. So in question number 10 what they given? Just see here. Cos cube 21 degrees plus cos cube 39 degrees whole by cos 21 degrees plus cos 39 degrees. So that is the question. So this value we need to find out. Okay. So let us see that. So what they given ma here? Cos cube 21 degrees plus cos cube 39 degrees whole by cos 21 degrees plus cos 39 degrees. Okay, so this value we need to find out. So when you observe that it's a numerator, Okay, when you observe that its numerator, that is in the form of, just see here, if you take that cos cube 21 degrees, that is as a cube, or else cos 21 degrees take it as a, and cos 39 degrees take it as b. Now here this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Yes or no? The same form only, no? So what is the formula for that a cube plus b cube here? So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Already we know this formula, right? So apply the same formula here, but at the place of a, here we have to take that cos 21, and at the place of b, here we have to take that cos 39. Okay, so see this one. So cos 21 degrees plus cos 39 degrees, a plus b into a square. A square means cos square 21 degrees plus b square, cos square 39 degrees. Okay, so a square plus b square minus ab. Minus ab means here cos 21 degrees into cos 39 degrees. Am I clear, ma? See here, a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Anyway, we can write this one, no? So whole by cos 21 degrees plus cos 39 degrees. So when you observe this one, here in this fraction, both numerator and denominator having the common term, no? So common term there means we can cancel those two terms. Am I right? So here in continuation, what are the leftover terms here? Cos square 21 degrees plus cos square 39 degrees minus cos 21 degrees into cos 39 degrees. Okay. So children, just observe here, this is cos square 21 degrees and this is cos square 39 degrees minus cos 21 degrees into cos 39 degrees. So children, here any formula not there, not related to this. So that's why here just we have to convert any one of the term from that cos square 21 degrees or cos square 39 degrees. Just we have to convert that in terms of sign. In terms of sign. So how to convert that? See. So cos square theta is equal to, we can write that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so that formula apply here. So 1 minus sin square 21 degrees plus, no need to change the second one. So cos square 39 degrees minus, so children here this is in the form of cos A cos B. Cos A cos B. Here by relating this one we have one of the formula, but here one of the number is missing. So that's why here I want to multiply and divide by 2. Multiply and divide by 2. So 2 cos 21 degrees into cos 39 degrees whole by 2. Whole by 2. Okay, now here again 2 and 2 gets cancelled, again we will get the same terms, no? So with that no issue. Okay, so see here. This one I am going to write it as 1 plus cos square 39 degrees, 1 plus cos square 39 degrees minus, here sin square 21 degrees minus sin square 21 degrees, and the leftover terms minus 2 cos 21 degrees minus 2 cos 21 degrees into cos 39 degrees whole by 2. These are the leftover terms, as are no? Okay, now here we have to write that formulas related to this one. Just observe that after we converted that one into sine, here we are having that one of the form. What is that? Cos square A minus sine square B. Cos square A minus sine square B. Yes or no? The same form only now here. So that's why here what is the formula to this one? Cos square A minus sin square B, which is equals to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. This formula only, no, that is cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. Am I clear, ma? So see here. And another formula is there that is related to this one. What is that? 2 cos A cos B. So when we will get this formula, ma? 2 cos A cos B. When we will get this? 2 cos A cos B. When you add that cos of A plus B and cos of A minus B, then you will get it as 2 cos A cos B. Yes or no? That is one of the formula we discussed previous classes, no? Okay, so these two formulas we have to use here and we have to simplify that. Okay, see here. So 1 plus, here at this place we have to write that formula, no? So what is that? Cos of A plus B, cos 39 degrees plus 21 degrees. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. So 39 degrees minus 21 degrees. Cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B, minus of, here at the place of 2 cos 21 degrees cos 39 degrees, here we have to write the second formula. What is that? Cos of A plus B. So cos of 39 degrees plus 21 degrees plus cos of A minus B. So 39 degrees minus 21 degrees whole by 2. Whole by 2. Am I clear, ma? So from this one, here 1 plus cos 39 plus 21. 39 plus 21, that is nothing but 60 degrees. So cos 60 degrees into cos 39 degrees minus 21. 39 minus 21, that is cos 2 degrees. Okay, minus, and here also same thing. So cos 39 plus 21 is cos 60 degrees by 2. Here I am separating that, see, and plus of cos 39 degrees minus 21 degrees, which is cos 2 degrees whole by 2. Am I clear, ma? So what is the value of cos 60 degrees? Cos 60 degrees is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into cos 2 degrees minus, here cos 60 degrees means 1 by 2, and here again we are having 2, no? So that is 1 by 2 into 2 minus, here 1 by 2 cos 2 degrees. Shall we write like this? Okay, so cos 2 degrees by 2 is there, that one only I written as 1 by 2 cos 2 degrees. Why? Because see here 1 by 2 cos 2 degrees positive and here negative is there, no? So that's why those two gets cancelled. Okay, ma? So see here the leftover numbers 1 minus, here 1 by 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so 1 minus 1 by 4 is 4 ones 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 by 4. So what is that answer here? 3 by 4 is that required answer. So what is our option here? Which option is correct, ma? Yes, option 3 is correct, that is 3 by 4. Understand? So here totally how many formulas we used in this question? Totally we used here 3 formulas, ma. One is A cube plus B cube formula we used, and in the same way here we used that cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B, as well as the sum of these two compound angles also we used that. Okay, so cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay, and finally we are getting here answer as 3 by 4. Okay, so which option ma correct here? Option 3, 3 by 4 is correct. Okay, so let us see the next question, 11th one. So let us see the next question. Okay, after that see the next 11th question here. So what is that 11th question? Sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. So here sin 3 theta by 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, this value we need to find out. So directly I am writing here formula. What is the formula for that sin 3 theta? Sin 3 theta formula is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta whole by 1 plus 2 into here cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. So I want to write that cos 2 theta formula. Here we have that 3 formulas for that cos 2 theta, no, in terms of cos and sin. So I want to write that in terms of sin. Why? Because numerator is everything in that sin terms, no? So that's why. So what is the formula in terms of sin? 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Understand? So simplify this. From that numerator I want to take that sin theta as common. So the leftover 3 minus 4 sin square theta whole by here 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 2 is 4 sin square theta. So which is equals to sin theta into 3 minus 4 sin square theta whole by 1 plus 2, that is 3 minus 4 sin square theta. So children, just observe that here again we are having numerator and denominator having the same terms, no? So these two same terms gets cancelled. So finally we will get that answer as sin theta. What is that answer? Answer is sin theta. So which option is correct, ma, here? Yes, option 2 is correct. Am I clear? Next, see that 12th question. Yes, 12th one. Sin 3a by sin a. Sin 3a by sin a minus cos 3a by cos a. Okay, so here directly formulas we can write for that sin 3a and cos 3a. So sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a whole by sin a minus cos 3a formula 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a whole by cos a. Okay. Now from that numerator take that sin a as common. So sin a take it as common. So 3 minus 4 sin square a whole by sin a minus, here I want to take that cos a as common. So cos a take it as common. So 4 cos square a minus 3 whole by cos a. Okay, cos a and cos a gets cancelled, sin a and sin a gets cancelled. Now here the leftover terms 3 minus 4 sin square a and minus 4 cos square a, and here minus into minus plus 3. Okay, so here 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 3 6, and here from these two terms minus 4 is in common, no? So take that minus 4 as common and the leftover sin square a, and here minus cos square a means already minus we taken as common, no? So minus into minus plus, so plus cos square a. Okay, so from this one 6 minus 4 into sin square theta plus cos square theta, yes, that is 1. So 6 minus 4, 4 into 1 is 4, no? So 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, ma? So which option is correct here? Yes, option 2 is correct. Am I clear to you? Yes. We are going to discuss that 13th question onwards. So what is that 13th question here, ma? Cos 3a plus sin 3a by cos a minus sin a. Okay, so see here. Cos 3a plus sin 3a whole by cos a minus sin a. Okay, so here just write that formulas first. Okay, so cos 3a formula is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a plus sin 3a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a minus 4 sin cube a whole by cos a minus sin a. So children, see that here 4 cos cube a, 4 sin cube a. So from these two terms I want to take that 4 as common. What I want to take it as common? 4 as common. So here we will get it as 4 into cos cube a minus sin cube a. Okay, and from these two terms I want to take that 3 as common. What? 3 as common. So minus 3 as common, then here cos a minus sin a. Why? Because madam you written like this means here also same terms there, no? So that's why, or else anyway you can take that, but again one more step will come. Okay, so directly here we can write this by cos a minus sin a. Okay, so from this one here cos cube a minus sin cube a, that is in the form of let a cube minus b cube. Here a is equal to cos a, b is equal to sin a. Okay, so a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula is what here? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so that is the formula here. So apply that formula here. So 4 into a cube minus b cube. So a minus b. So cos a minus sin a into cos square a plus sin square a plus cos a sin a. Understand, ma'am? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, or a square plus ab plus b square. Anywhere we can write like this, no? So minus 3 into cos a minus sin a. Okay, whole by cos a minus sin a. So children, just observe that here cos a minus sin a term is there, here also cos a minus sin a is there. So that term I want to take it as common. So how to write this one? Cos a minus sin a, if you want to take this one as common, into 4 into here 4 into here cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1, no? So 1 plus, and here cos a sin a, 1 plus cos a sin a. Okay, and still we have that one more term. What is that? Here minus 3 is there, no, left over. So minus 3 whole by cos a minus sin a. So children, here cos a minus sin a gets cancelled. So from this one, here 4 into 1 is 4 plus 4 cos a sin a minus 3. Okay, so which is equals to 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 4 cos a sin a. 4 cos a sin a. So which is equals to 1 plus 2 into, here we can write this one as 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. So which is equals to 1 plus 2 into 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a. So answer is 2 sin 2a plus 1. What is that answer, ma? 2 sin 2a plus 1. So that option is there or not? See here, 2 sin 2a plus 1 or plus 1, 1 plus 2 sin 2a. Okay, so same answer, no, we will get 1 plus 2 sin 2a or 2 sin 2a plus 1. Understand, ma? So that is the answer. So which option is correct here? Fourth option is correct. Understand? Yes, here one more formula added, that is a minus b, algebraic identity formula. Here we used that. Okay, so that formula only new here. Next, question number 14. See that question number 14 here. What they given? If 2 cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x, then 2 cos 3 theta. 2 cos 3 theta value we need to find out. Okay, so 2 cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta formula, what is that? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Understand, ma? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So from this one, I want to take that cos theta as common. Cos theta as common. So the leftover 4 cos square theta minus 3. 4 cos square theta minus 3. So from this one, 2 cos theta. So already they given here 2 cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x into here 4 cos square theta means 2 cos theta whole square. Shall we write like this? 2 cos theta whole square, again that is 4 cos square theta. Am I clear, ma? So which is equals to x plus 1 by x into here 2 cos theta value already they given, no, so that's why we written like that. So that is x plus 1 by x whole square minus 3. X plus 1 by x whole square minus 3. Now simplify this. X plus 1 by x into, here x plus 1 by x whole square, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x minus 3. Okay, so x and x gets cancelled. So afterwards x plus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x into, okay, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Understand ma? Why? Because minus 1 means plus 2 minus 3. So that's why here minus 1. Am I clear? So now here take that product. So first I want to take the product of x into x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 plus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Understand? So here x into x square, that is x cube, plus x into x square means x by x square minus x, plus x square by x plus 1 by x cube minus 1 by x. Okay ma? So here any cancellations? Yes, x one time gets cancelled. Here also x one time gets cancelled. Next, x cube plus 1 by x minus x plus x plus 1 by x cube minus 1 by x. Okay. So here plus 1 by x minus 1 by x gets cancelled. Minus x plus x gets cancelled. So finally here we have that x cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube plus 1 by x cube. So that option is there or not? See here. Yes, which option is correct ma? Yes, x cube plus 1 by x cube. So which option is correct? Option 2 is correct here. Am I clear to you? Yes. So let us see that question number 15. Yes. Question number 15. This is also very important. See here ma. So what they given here? 1 by tan 3x minus tan x. 1 by tan 3x minus tan x minus 1 by cot 3x minus cot x. So one of the question already we solved this type of question. Cot x they given means we written that one in terms of tan. So here also better to write like that. So 1 by tan 3x minus 1 by tan x. Okay. So simplify that. 1 by tan 3x minus tan x minus 1 by here tan x minus tan 3x whole by tan 3x into tan x. Clear ma? Now here denominator we have fraction, no? So that one become as reciprocal. So tan 3x minus tan x minus in reciprocal tan 3x into tan x whole by tan x minus tan 3x. Tan x minus tan 3x. So children see that here tan 3x, here tan x. Tan x, tan 3x. So just like that previous one of the question, like that only here also we can change the symbols. If you take that minus as common, then minus tan x plus tan 3x. So minus into minus become as plus. So here we can write this one as 1 by tan 3x minus tan x plus tan x into tan 3x. Here no need to change any sign ma. Why? Because that is in product, no. So that's why. By tan 3x minus tan x. Okay. Just observe that. Now here both the fractions having that same denominators, no. So they same denominators there means LCM also same. So the LCM is tan 3x minus tan x. And what is the LCM here? 1 plus tan x into tan 3x. 1 plus tan x into tan 3x. Okay. Now we have the total become as only one term, single term. Here directly we can write the formula, no? So previous directly, why madam here you didn't write that formulas? We know that cot 3x formula also, no? Why? Because it will take that more. Okay, then also we will find that. In that process also we will find that answer, but here it takes that more steps. Okay, now here two terms become a single term, no? So that's why here we can apply the tan 3x formula. So 1 plus tan x into tan 3x formula, what is that? So 1 plus tan x into tan 3x formula, 3 tan x minus tan cube x whole by 1 minus 3 tan square x, okay, whole by, here also same formula, no? So 3 tan x minus tan cube x whole by 1 minus 3 tan square x minus tan x. Okay, now simplify this one, ma. So 1 into 1 minus 3 tan square x. So 1 minus 3 tan square x plus 3 tan x into tan x. So 3 tan square x and plus into minus, minus tan cube x into tan x, tan power 4x whole by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, in denominator also we are having fraction, no? So that one become as reciprocal. So here I am writing that fraction, see that. So denominator what we will get here? 1 minus 3 tan square x only denominator. So 1 minus 3 tan square x whole by, now take the simplification, ma. Take that cross multiplication. So here 3 tan x minus 3 tan x minus tan cube x. So here 3 tan x minus tan cube x, and here minus into plus is minus, 1 into tan x is tan x, and here minus into minus is plus, 3 tan square x into tan x is equal to 3 tan cube x. Okay, now here simplification, ma. So 1 minus 3 tan square x, 1 minus 3 tan square x gets cancelled. And is there any other cancellations possible? Yes, not possible, see here. So after that, here 1 minus 3 tan square x plus 3 tan square x. Yes, these two terms gets cancelled. So 1 minus tan power 4x, 1 minus tan power 4x whole by denominator 3 tan x minus tan x. So here 3 tan x minus tan x, which is equals to 2 tan x. 2 tan x, and here minus tan cube x plus 2 tan cube x. So that is plus 2 tan cube x, plus 2 tan cube x. Okay, so from this one, here we can write this one as 1 minus, we can write this one as 1 square, again 1 only, minus tan square x whole square whole by, take the 2 tan x as common. So here 1 plus tan square x, 2 tan x as common. So 1 plus tan square x is that leftover term. So which is equals to, this is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square form is a plus b into a minus b. So 1 minus tan square x into 1 plus tan square x, okay, whole by 2 tan x into 1 plus tan square x, okay, 1 minus, okay ma. So here 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan square x gets cancelled, and here which is equals to 1 minus tan square x by 2 tan x. 1 minus tan square x by 2 tan x. So that is the formula for that. So answers options there in the trigonometric ratios, no? So you have to convert this one into trigonometric ratio. So 1 minus tan square x by 2 tan x. 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, that is the formula for that, tan 2x. That reverse the given. So reverse the given means this is the formula for cot 2x. So answer is cot 2x. So which option is correct? Let us see that. So cot 2x, option 4 is correct here. Understand ma, which option is correct? Option 4 is correct. Am I clear? Yes. So let us see that next question. Yes. Question number 16. What is that question number 16? 3 cos q plus cos 3q. So cos 3q means cos 3 theta formula here we have to apply. So what is that cos 3 theta formula? 4 cos cube, at the place of theta they given that q, minus 3 cos q whole by, here 3 sin q minus of sin 3q formula here we have to write. So 3 sin theta, at the place of theta q is there, minus 4 sin cube q. Okay. So here any cancellations ma? Yes, 3 cos q minus 3 cos q gets cancelled. So 4 cos cube q whole by 3 sin q minus 3 sin q plus 4 sin cube q. Okay, so 3 sin q and 3 sin q gets cancelled, plus and minus there, no, so that's why. Next, 4 cos cube q by 4 sin cube q. This type of question, one of the question we simplified already, but here they given that they changed only theta. Okay, so here 4 and 4 gets cancelled, so cos cube q by sin cube q. So which is equals to cot cube q. Okay, so answer is here cot cube q. So but here options they given in terms of theta ma, so this theta is a q, so change this one as q. Okay, so which option is correct? Cot q, q is that correct answer. Understand all of you? Yes. So children, in this video we discussed up to 16 questions, no? So the leftover questions we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.